So from class, my 4 to 5 questions that I will look into from doing this activity are: 1, what age do people typically start smoking cigarettes? 2, from someone who smokes, did they get any health issues from it? 3, if so, if they did in fact get any health issues, what they were, and if it was long-term or short-term. 4, how smoking can affect children. Example, secondhand smoking, how it can really affect them long-term and short-term. Number 5, if smoking is growing in numbers from recent years and recent studies to now, or if it's vice versa and actually less people are smoking, which would be fantastic, and see what the numbers are and how they're different from smoking cigarettes just alone. My 10 keywords that I will be using for research are: 1, health issues; 2, kills; 3, kids or children; 4, cancer; 5, birth defects from when people smoke while they're pregnant, how it can really affect them in the womb; 6, age started, or if they passed, what age, and see if it was an earlier age or not; 7, life expectancy; 8, cigarettes; 9, college students, see how many college students smoke, and if it's grown in numbers over the years; and 10, adults, and see if it's more adults that are smoking or if it's more young adults that are smoking, and see which one's greater, or if it's changed from recent years. And then lastly, the most important idea I got out of this activity for my essay or research project was to do a survey from the students from UC Blue Ash. Ask them like a little question survey, and then also to set up interviews with people that I know who smoke. And now that I'm thinking, maybe even people who don't smoke, and see why they don't want to smoke, and see if they've known someone who has probably passed by smoking, or why they choose not to smoke, or why they choose never to have smoked to begin with. But definitely talk to people who've smoked and see if they regret it or anything, because I know a lot of people that I've talked to have regretted it, and they said it's highly addictive. So it would be very interesting to look into that and see how hard it is for them to quit and why people shouldn't just not start it. And that is all that we did in class from the activity.